Have you ever heard the term Agile and wonder what does it actually mean? I'm going to break down Agile and why it is revolutionizing the way we work in project management. Let's get started. Let's define Agile in one simple sentence. Agile is a flexible, team-focused way of managing projects. It promotes collaboration, it promotes flexibility, which enables projects to be managed and delivered quickly. In this day and age, things are so fast-paced. Those of you that are project managing already, you know the deal when you're working in your jobs, how fast-paced, how reactive you have to be nowadays, right? And this is why Agile is the perfect methodology. It's much more current and it's much more modern, and in my opinion is an ideal methodology for such fast-paced environments. The majority of the companies I freelanced at have used an Agile way of working. Agile enables teams to be much more responsive, much more reactive, and this is what is needed in such a fast-paced environment. Okay, so let's just break Agile down in 3 easy components. What I love about Agile is that it really encourages that teamwork and that communication through daily check-ins, through stand-up meetings. It's that constant team working so that you, the project manager, knows that everybody is aligned. It could be having a quick huddle with your team every morning via Slack. It could be having daily morning stand-ups for all of your projects. These are the fundamentals of project management: hitting the deadlines, delivering the project on time. Yes, sometimes there are delays, and again, if there are delays, this is where that team collaboration is essential. If you are having daily stand-ups, then the team members are flagging to you if they're on track. You're going to be asking questions like, is there anything you need? Do you have any red flags? And they're going to let you know if there are any problems. You're going to make sure that the right people, the right team members are in the daily stand-ups, are in the daily huddles. So team collaboration is critical. And with the Agile methodology, this is when you're going to need to be relying on your team. And this is why I love Agile, because it embraces that team collaboration. Second component is adaptability. With the Agile methodology, it allows for such unexpected challenges and changes to happen. If a client decides mid-project that they want to change an entire trajectory of a project, or they've changed their mind and they want to go down a completely different route, Agile makes pivoting smooth, unlike the Prince 2 where you might have to complete a change request form. If your project allows for these changes from a budget, timeline and resource perspective, then being adaptable is great because you're able to meet the needs of the client, you're able to retain that client, and essentially this is what helps to build relationships with clients and stakeholders. Lastly, Agile has a very customer-centric focus. Now, what do I mean by that? It's like building a house where the client gets to see each part of the house stage by stage. You are bringing the client along with you along the journey. I don't think I've worked at any company that doesn't have this type of working style when it comes to their clients. So Agile really keeps the client at the heart of every decision. The constant feedback, the constant rounds of amends is to please the client, and it's to deliver those client-based results. This customer-centric focus needs to stay at the heart of any kind of Agile methodology. So essentially, Agile is the way forward, and most companies are now using Agile as their main methodology. Agile isn't just for tech teams and IT. Agile is used across multiple sectors. It's for any company that is client-focused and client-driven and who wants to get work done faster and smarter. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.